Welcome back. Today we're going to weld the diff on Crunchy. I have a 12 bolt diff to slap in her anyways, so we're just going to weld it. I don't know really what I'm doing, but we'll try our best. I don't know if you can see that, but that spider gear, this spider gear right here is loosey-goosey. So we're using 7018. We're running it at, it's gonna be at about 170 amps. I don't really know what I'm doing. Well, there's no going back now. Well, it doesn't look good, and it's probably not strong. We got to clean out all that gravel in the bottom. So I'm going to clean that out, and then we're going to put the diff cover back in, put some oil in, and then just rip it. You know, is it clean enough? Definitely not, but it's good enough, and that's what matters. If you don't know what this stuff is, this is called Right Stuff. 1 minute black gasket RTV, best stuff in the game. I actually want to do a video where I use this for a small block Chevy head gasket. See how long it holds up. Let's do this. I don't get too picky with it. Share me with your comments on what you think about what I'm doing here. I know someone's probably going to say you shouldn't have ground it out in the case because it's going to go through the bearing. And you know what? You're probably right. Do I care? Not at all. Because, you know, I don't really expect this differential to last that long anyways. Did I clean up the diff cover on this side? Absolutely not. Again, you don't want to waste time doing stuff we don't need to do here. I always start with the bottom. This way if I'm racing, you know, it doesn't look like I've ever modified my diff. It looks like it's factory. But now it's highly customized, you know. All right, we'll let that sit for a few minutes and then slam some gear oil in it and rip. Brake clean, the best stuff in my experience, for cleaning the shop floor, because it gets the oil, it kind of helps you get the dust. It's fantastic stuff. Okay. We're gonna go do some donuts and see if it actually makes a difference. Let's go. One of the old guys here at the shop thinks his 2008 or 9 Ford is faster than Crunchy, and I don't think he's right. So we're gonna go race. We'll see what we can do with the camera, but we're gonna try it out. Got my mic here. After some extremely brutal testing, you know, I did 3 drag races. I smelt the clutch packs on the transmission, which I'm not very happy about because I just put this transmission in, you know, like 6,000 kilometers ago. And some pretty wild donuts, as you saw there. I can confirm that welding my diff was a good decision. Would I recommend it? 100%. How long will it last? Well, it'll last as long as it will with all that slag still in the case. Like and subscribe again. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.